What is going on, guys? It's been quite a while. It's been a long time since the last upload. A lot of stuff has happened since then, so I'm not gonna show you guys, I guess, the car right now. But what I will do is I have some videos that I had recorded a while back. I just never uploaded them and never got around to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload that. But I'm hoping to get back to, posting up some videos, especially now that my friend Nick, he created a YouTube channel, just went out about a GoPro about a week ago or so, and started posting his first video. Go check him out. Put his the link in the description down below. You can go ahead and check him out. He's posted his first video like 2 days ago or so. It's a quick short video, but he's getting the hang of it, and I'm sure that car has a lot coming from what I've spoken to him about. So go ahead and check him out. He's a cool guy. You're gonna have fun with his channel. He's a cool guy, man. Besides that, I just want to say hope y'all are doing well, and here's a quick video about me installing my Blackvue camera. I know it's not the best, just because I was kind of rushed trying to install it, and I had to leave and do some stuff while doing it, so I try to continue the video later. But nonetheless, it is a Blackvue camera, for those that have asked, because I've gotten questions about what camera you're using. It's the front and rear. You can see the rear back there, and I have the front up here by the mirror from here. I don't know if you can see it. Anyways, yeah, it's a Blackvue camera, the 9CHS or HCS, something like that. It's 4K recording and all that good stuff. So nonetheless, here's the video of the install. It's a quick little short one. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll be back. We'll see you guys soon. And go ahead and check out Nick. And I'll post his Instagram down below too. He's got an Instagram, so y'all go keep up with his car on Instagram too. Hope you guys have a good one. We went ahead and ordered a Blackvue 4K front and rear dash cam. I personally wanted one for a while now, but they were a little pricey, and I was like, you know what, I don't need one. It's whatever, I can wait. But after everything going on, I'd rather not risk it anymore. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and stop procrastinating and just order one already. So I've heard really good reviews on these. A couple of my friends have some of these, and they look amazing, they work amazing, and they have ease of use. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and be installing today, and I'll let you know how it goes. Hopefully it's an easy install and get this running in maybe an hour or so. We'll see how the box is. Here we go. Here's the front camera, can't get it out, and the rear camera. They look pretty small, pretty sleek. Should be good. See hide behind here. I mean, that's where everybody places it, right? So we'll see how this goes. They look pretty good, man. I mean, honestly, they look pretty nice. So we've been at this for about 20 minutes or so. Nah, like 10 minutes. Just following instructions. That's why we're taking a little bit. So far, it's just saying to first you gotta get the front camera, and right here you gotta open this up. You gotta open it up, enter the SD card in there. Once you have it in there, you take off the 3M and put the camera right in the middle. You gotta line your lens up right down the middle, as it will say in the instructions. After that, once you lined up the front camera, you line up the rear camera. You see back there? You line it right down the middle too, and that's where we're at so far. I think the next thing it said was to, what did it say next?
To connect the cable to the rear thing.
So we gotta connect the power cable to the front camera from the front and the rear, and well, we're gonna have to route the cables through the car, see how we route them, just so they don't show, because for cleaner install. But that's where we're at right now, so keep you guys updated. Woo-wee! Well, we got it, guys. Here, let me see if I can flip this camera. Shit. But that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, you just work on hiding the wires. It really isn't much. You just gotta work on hiding the wires. Everything else after that is pretty much the booklet. You just gotta read the booklet and go through it. It'll show you how to set up your cameras, how to connect to them. It has the little what does it have? The password for the Wi-Fi to connect to the cameras through Wi-Fi. I think that's pretty much it. The only thing I did not install and that I should probably get to is the power pack that comes with the cameras. That pretty much allows me for the car to record while I'm parked anywhere. It provides power to the cameras through there so they can keep recording. I do not have it installed as of now. I should probably get to it, but I haven't installed it as of now. But other than that, honestly, the setup is pretty easy. It just takes time, and it is pretty hot just because, I mean, I live in Texas, so it's like 100. Let me see. It's about 100 degrees or so. So it gets pretty hot in the car. So I recommend, if you do live anywhere hot, do it at night or do it in the evening when the sun's going down. Other than that, guys, the install is pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and I'm not really familiarized yet with the iCloud, so I still really need to read into that. But as of now, the cameras work fine. I tried to put some footage that I got earlier into the video, but honestly, yeah, the cameras work pretty decent, and I haven't had any trouble with them. Obviously, they're brand new, but I still haven't had any trouble with them, and I'm still learning them, but they've worked out pretty well. So as of now, like I said, they work good. I'm gonna give you a few impressions after driving around with them for about a week or 2 weeks, and that gives me time to install the power pack too, and give you guys a good update on how the parking mode is and how well it works. But other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. As far as the cameras go, it wasn't a hard install. It just takes time. And just the hardest thing I'd say is just rerouting the wires. That's pretty much it, man. And other than that, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. That's about it, guys. Well, like I said, I'll see you guys again on the update as far as the cameras go. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.